Here is the first popular song that we're going to have a look at, The Basics of the Bass, a song by Fleetwood Mac called Dreams. This is a very good basic song to start practicing bass to, because effectively most of the song consists of two notes, and according to my tuning and the version that I listen to, the two notes are F, which sounds like it's the first fret on the low E string, and then G, the third fret on the low E string. The rhythm pattern of those two notes is according to where we looked at the and before the three and the three, and then the and after the four, and then the one. So it's one, the and before the three, then the three, and then the and after the four. It sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the speed of the song is, I think it's that's basically it. Okay, there are other variations within the song, but from the beginning, that's basically what you're hearing, excuse the pun. The second song that I'm going to suggest, which is useful for beginner bass, is a song by Joe Jackson called It's Different for Girls. We have that same pattern again, where it's the one, the and before the three, and then the and after the four. But that happens for 2 bars. And then in the third bar, they don't include the and after the four. This song is on F sharp, and then it goes to E flat or D sharp, and then C sharp. The movement from D sharp to C sharp is on the 1 and the 2. For the F sharp, we're hearing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The reason why I think he misses out the and after the 4 is for character, yes. Also, the drummer plays a tom sound on that 4 count. That helps to accentuate that tom sound if there's no bass playing. Then we get to the D sharp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, and then back to F sharp. The complete bass line for the beginning of the verse is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. A half bar for the 1 and 2, then we get back to 1 and 2 and. So that's another interesting beginner bass line. When you get to the end of the song, there is a wonderful bass improvisation, I'm going to call it, at the very end of the song. The bass player just takes off into some ethereal moment and plays a series of notes, and then comes back and resides on the F sharp, I think, or even the E. That's an interesting thing to listen to when you first hear the song. That's Joe Jackson's It's Different for Girl. We looked at Fleetwood Mac's Dreams.